Would you rather be driving around like that or like that? Dick, not even $2 if because you have this stuff at home. But that's what you can do. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and voila, done. Let me do this in a certain spot. Let me go up a little further if I don't kill myself with the tripod. That's before. That's after. Not even $2 because you have all this stuff underneath your sink and in your medicine cabinet. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is the final. Ajax is the first one. All right. Oh, I'm gonna sit in my car. I hope you enjoyed that, and check back with me again for another tips and some other cool stuff. Uh, Please like, subscribe, favor me, comment, do what you have to do. Let me know you're watching this, and you can check out my buddy Sean Thieves with Junkyards and Barn Finds. Check him out too. He's got a lot of cool stuff also. We're all a big happy family. So hopefully I'll see you back soon. Thanks. Bye. Now this is my car. It's a 2007 Saturn Vue. You see how smoky the headlights look? That's the passenger side. This is the driver's side. As you can see how cloudy the plastic is. And what you're going to do is you're going to clean your headlights out with Ajax or scouring pad stuff. All right. My sunglasses on. Hi boys and girls, and welcome again to Ralph's Garage of Chaos. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your headlights with plus you less than $2 because you have most of the stuff in stock at home. You need some Ajax or scouring powder. Don't get anything with any kind of BS in it, just plain Jane scouring powder. You want it very fine stuff like snow. You don't want to get anything with any bits and pieces in it. See? It looks like snow. It looks like snow. All right, makes a mess too, and you want that stuff. Next thing you want to have is toothpaste. This is for final. That's first. The Ajax first, and this is final polish. Toothpaste is a very slow type of abrasive. It polishes your teeth, takes all them coffee stains off and all that. Do not get gel. No gels, no, no, what's it called? The three-colored stuff. No gels. Plain Jane freaking toothpaste. And this one smells minty, so I got good stuff. So I got $2 into it because I want to buy the stuff because I use sensitive teeth, and that doesn't work either. So don't do that. You want plain Jane toothpaste, white stuff. All right, now I'll show you what I'm going to do. Also, you need a bucket of water, clean water, tap water. That's going to help you out. Now I'm going to bring the thing back so you can see it a little bit better. I want to have a rag. I'm going to have a white rag to show you what it's going to look like. You want to put your rag in the water. Get this thing nice and wet. Nice and wet. Swing it out. Don't worry about the people in the background. They have no clue what's going on. You want to put a little bit of scouring pad. Not too much, shake off the rest. All right, you have a wet rag, and you're going a circular motion. Circular motion. You want to keep it, this wet rag wet. See? Your circular motion. You want to stay away from the paint. You want to put painter's tape down here or somewhere else. That'll be good for your finish. You don't want to mess up your finish. But I don't care about this car, so it's going to sell anyway. So that could be another thing. See how much dirt came off? See? Take your rag, wipe it out. Well, it shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes. If you really want to get it really fun, because this is a low abrasive. All right, get in there, put it there. Just want to go circular motion. You can go back and forth a little bit, but circular motions seem to work the best. All the way around it. All the plastic, because this plastic starts to grow crap on it, so this stuff will take it off. See all the dirt that came off of it? Oh, stepping on my toothpaste. It's a low abrasive. This stuff is very low abrasive. It's not going to scratch. It's not going to scratch your lenses. But try a little spot and see what it does to your glass. Well, it's not glass anymore. It's plastic. Some goofy plastic that changes color because they use cheap. They want you to spend $200 a piece, maybe more, for getting a new one. Or there's people out there they'll polish it. Do the sandpaper. Stay away from sandpaper unless you know what you're doing. Stay away from the sandpaper unless you know what you're doing. I could have showed you that too, but I don't want to because this is beginners. All right. I'm going to hit it one more time for final cut. Circular motions. Circular motions. Okay. Wipe it down. This rag. Look at the difference. You can see how much that would take me. Take me not even anything to do that. All right. You see how nice and clean it is compared to that side. So, all right, now to that side. Ooh, that side, how so smoky that is. Doesn't that look a lot better? Definitely gonna be able to see tonight. All right, that's one side. So I don't want to keep here for 15-20 minutes. So I've got my other rag. Wipe this down. Next, you're going to finish it off with this stuff, the toothpaste. Get this a little bit wet. All right. And you can go hog wild with this, but no gel. Stay away from the gel. Put a little blob there and just go around in circular motion. Circular motions. And now your car smells minty fresh. You know? So next time you kiss a deer or something like that, you got good breath. Your headlights got good breath. One more shot. Grass. Grass. Look. All done. Game over. But not yet. Off. My sister gave me this shirt. Too small for me. So I'm using it. Remember that stuff I told you to get? The Rain X stuff? Spray your glass. And it even smells good too. Voila. All done. Didn't take me, you saw how much it took me. Didn't take me a whole lot. See how nice?